Hey guys, welcome back. So till now we have learned what is a tree, why do we need to learn it, and what are the terminologies associated with a tree. Hope all of these concepts are clear. Now in this video, let's start the first type of tree, that is binary tree. So what is a binary tree? So a binary tree is one in which each node is either having 0, 1 or 2 child. So what that means is that in a binary tree, none of the node can have more than 2 children. So if we see this node over here, this has 2 children, that is 103. Similarly, if we see this node over here, this has 0 children. Now if we see this node over here, we have 1 children. But you see that none of the nodes over here have more than 2 children. So this diagram is nothing but a binary tree. Fine. So that is the first property of a binary tree. The second thing is that a binary tree is basically a family of data structure. Now what do we mean by that? So when we say that it is a family of data structure, we mean that all of these trees like binary search tree, heap tree, AVL tree, etc. all these trees have the basic property derived from a binary tree. Or in the other words, all of these trees' DNA lies in binary tree. So what we are essentially saying is that, let's say if we take example of red black tree. So a red black tree of course is a red black tree, but it is also a binary tree. Similarly, if we take a syntax tree, so syntax tree is a syntax tree as well as a binary tree. Similarly, binary search tree, heap tree, AVL tree, all of these trees are also a binary tree because they follow the basic property of binary tree, which is that it can have either 0, 1 or 2 children. Fine. So I hope you have got a very high level idea about what is a binary tree. Now let's see why we need to learn a binary tree. So as you would have already guessed, we need binary tree because it is a prerequisite for more advanced trees like binary search tree, AVL tree, red black tree, etc. So if we don't learn a binary tree, understanding binary search tree, AVL tree, red black tree, etc. will be little challenging. Now apart from that, there is one more reason that we should be learning binary tree is because there are some specific problems which are solved using some specific techniques like Hoffman, heap or expression parsing. So these are some standard problems which can only be solved efficiently using a binary tree. So again, if we don't learn binary tree, we won't be able to solve these kind of a problems. So we should learn binary tree. So I hope you have understood what is a binary tree and why should we learn a binary tree. Now in the next video, let's learn what are the types of binary tree that we have. So let's do that in the next video. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.